how to send a private message on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to send a private message on Facebook. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the messenger icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And here, once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the messenger app. And now here in this section of messenger app, what you can do is you can just tap on the new messages, and after that you can just select the person that you want to chat with, and after that you can simply type in the message and simply send them, and that's it. That's how you can send a private message on Facebook. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.